Hello, my name is Sarah from Look What I Made, and today I'm going to show you how to make these glasses with a hidden love message inside. Hidden because you can't see it if you pour something dark in it, and also it's invisible from the bottom. I made this for Valentine's Day, but you can also use them as a daily reminder. As you can see, these are like this. These are in German, but I also made a template for English puns and sayings that you can write inside. You can find the details and a template to print out in the description below. So let's get started. All you need for this DIY are some glasses, glass or porcelain markers, a template, washi tape, and scissors and an oven. This DIY was produced in cooperation with Ottoversand.at, so check out their website for these glasses or any other furniture and homeware. In the first step, you need to cut out your template. As you can see, the writing is mirrored here. That's because when you stick the template inside the glass with your washi tape, as you can see here, you're gonna be able to write at the bottom of the glass. And then again, when you drink out of the glass or your loved one drinks out of the glass, they're gonna be able to read it again. Then take your gold marker and write on the bottom of your glass. This is a bit trickier than it might seem in the beginning because the glass is on the bottom quite thick and creates an optical illusion. But I think it looks, the kind of wobbly handwritten look makes it more characteristic and gives it a more personal touch. It's important that you let your golden marker dry completely before you color it black. Otherwise you will have scratches in your writing, as you can see here. I tried it, so learn from my mistakes. And if you let it dry overnight, at least overnight I'd say, I dried it for 24 hours, you can have a smooth and clean look like this one. Now on the next day, take your black marker and color over your golden writing. Also try to create some kind of circle so it looks more professional and clean. Then take your glasses and put them in the oven. The instructions on the markers should tell you for how long and at which temperature you should bake your glasses. Then they should be dishwasher safe and ready to use. I hope you liked this idea with the hidden love messages in glasses, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow if you want to see more DIYs on this channel. See you soon!